Willie the penguin. No wonder I'm so chilly all the time. I stand around and freeze and cough and wheeze and sneeze. That's why I'm chilly Willie all the time. Poor me, I quiver and I quake. Poor me, me, oh my, for goodness sake, I'm chilly Willie the penguin. Oh gee, oh gosh, I'm chilly all the time.
Tom, tomorrow starts the big business. The ski slide is slippery and the skating rink is... Ach, the skating rink is full with holes. Schmedli! Schmedli, look at my skating rink yet. Someone is making like Swiss cheese on the ice.
Looks like the work of a culprit. We better find him.
We better find him, he says. You better find him. Or I twist the arm like so. And smack you in the stomach. Like so. And I accept your resignation. Like so.
He's a downright sweet feller most of the time. Just as nice as they come. Gets a little touchy sometime, though. Uh-oh. I think this here's a clue. Something fishy going on around here. Just a minute, you skating rink saboteur. And don't come back. Halt there! Come back, you! Doggone pesky chicken. Damn red bars about it. But... Hey, you! No fishing allowed. Well, sir, that little rascal's kind of cute. Let me see you do that again, boy. That looks like fun. I'll bet I can do that. This time I caught you red-handed, boy. I'm giving you the old brush-off treatment. Smedley speaking here.
Smedley, where are you? And did you catch the troublemaker yet?
Oh, yes, sir. I got him right here. And I'm at, Station 8, sir. Yes, sir. Station 8. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This time I'm getting rid of you. Now get lost. Adios, goodbye,
And good riddance.
he won't need these anymore.
So, it was you making holes to catch fishes.
No, sir. It weren't me, sir. It was that little old...